Hi guys, this is Harshita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. So this video is gonna be about a book haul. So here are some books that I collected in the month of January and February. And in this video, I'm gonna show you everything that I got, and I'm so excited. Starting with the first two novels that I have. Both of them are from the same author, Louisa May Alcott. Louisa May Alcott, and starting with the first one, The Good Wives. Both of them follow the story of four sisters, namely Meg, Jo, Beth, and Amy. In Good Wives, the March sisters are making their journey to womanhood, each with their own struggles and triumphs along the way, from disappointments in love to a tragedy that turns their worlds upside down. It will take an unwavering sisterly bond and all of the girls' courage to find happiness in the most unexpected places. And the second one is Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. Little Women is a heartwarming, sensitive, and inspiring story of female strength, compassion, and the ability to spread love. So in the show Friends, Joey liked this book, so I'm very sure I will too. Moving on to the next one, we have The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini. I'm pretty sure इसके बारे में सबने पढ़ा होगा कहीं ना कहीं, and the reason why I picked it up is because it was very famous and I wanted to read something like this. मैंने सुना ये book काफ़ी ज़्यादा emotional है and it is nerve-wracking, but I want to read it, so I picked it up. Yep. Moving on to the next one, we have Better Than the Movies by Lynn Painter. I don't think this book needs any introduction. इसका cover ही इतना interesting था, and also मैं इसके बारे में काफ़ी पढ़ा था, a lot of reviews, so I thought to give it a try. So I think this book will be a perfect romantic comedy and I can't wait to read it. So next up, I picked up a basic self-help book called You Can by George Matthew Adams. It talks about different topics and it's just a general self-help book. So yep. So next up is a classic novel. It's Wuthering Heights by Emily Bront. Ever since I watched Pride and Prejudice, I always wanted to read this. So that's why I picked it up. Next up, I have The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelis. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, and I've already read it. Yes, I got it in January and I've already read it, and it was my first crime thriller story and I loved every part of it. It was an easy read and it turned out amazing at the end. Plot twist, first class. So this book has a story of Alicia who killed her husband 6 years ago, and उसके बाद से उसने बात करना बंद कर दिया. She is completely silent, and now after 6 years उसका एक therapist है जिसके साथ वो बात कर लेती है. So now the story is unfolding कि क्या हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था, and what made her go silent. So yeah, it's a worth read. So the next pick I have is The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right as well, but this is one of those books जो कि आप videos में देखते हो और आप ले लेते हो, and I have loads of expectations from this one because मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा इसके positive reviews सुने हैं. So this story, I believe, is about a housemaid who has certain secrets and she works for a rich family and she observes them every day, and then truth unfolds. We are waiting for that truth. So the next pick I have is Powerless by Elsie Silver. So I like the cover of this book. It's pretty. Yeah, that's it. It's pretty. So the next one I picked up is The Last Letter by Rebecca Yarros. I am not sure why I picked up so many sad romance novels, but I guess that's our thing now and we are trying different things. That's good. This book is about two best friends. One of them has died and he has written a letter for the best friend to take care of his little sister while he's not there. So it's gonna be an emotional roller coaster and I can't wait. Another book that I picked up only because I heard good reviews about it, The Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yarros. And I don't think this book needs any introduction, but still I'll put it down. Violet expected to live a quiet life surrounded by books until she was forced onto the world's deadliest training ground. Now she must fight to join the army's elite dragon riders, but dragons don't choose fragile riders, they incinerate them. And when your body breaks as easily as Violet's does, death is only a heartbeat away, because once you enter Baskai War College, there are only two ways out: graduate or die. This is gonna be an interesting book, I believe. I've heard only good things about this, and yup, I'll keep you posted. And the next one, this series has to be my favorite. Like, I read it when I was in school, yes. बट आई ओनली रेड 2 पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट मेरा रह गया था. सो दैट्स वाई इस बार मैंने सारी बुक्स ले ली कि आई एम गोना रीड इट अगेन. सो इट इज़ अ फिक्शनल सीरीज बेस्ड ऑन अ कैरेक्टर कॉल्ड शिवा. Of course, it is Milta Julta from Shiva, Nandi, Parvati, Kali, and it is an amazing story. You should read it. Everyone should read it who believes in mythology even a little. The story starts with a character called Shiva who has a Neelkant over here, and one day he is approached by some foreigners who थिंक ऑफ हिम एज अ सर्वाइवर एंड उन्होंने उनकी शिवा के पूरे गांव को उठा लिया अपने साथ ले गया बिकॉज देयर कंट्री और टाउन इज डाइंग एंड दे बिलीव शिवा टू बी देयर सेवियर. इट्स अ मस्ट रीड. The next book I got is for my love of Harry Potter and the Cursed Child by J.K. Rowling. This is a very interesting book. You see, it is not a novel, it's a play. I'm not sure if there exists anything other than this version of this, but इसमें ना like it's a play. Yeah, that's all I could say. It's a play. So yeah, that was all the books that I got, and I know काफ़ी ज़्यादा books खरीद लिए मैंने, but book fair हमेशा नहीं लगता. काफ़ी अलग अलग जगह से लिया मैंने. Some are from book fair, some I got from Crossword, some I got as a gift. So yeah, I can't wait to read all of them. I think next 6 months का कोटा मेरा पूरा हो चुका है, but you never know. There's no such thing as too many books. So let me know if you need any review of any specific book that I showed you just now. I'll be more than happy to do that. If you're liking my videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. It will mean the absolute world to me, and I will see you soon with a new video very soon. Bye.